Welcome to a realm of unparalleled luxury and sophistication, where architectural mastery meets redefined living. Nestled within one of Toorak's most coveted addresses, this brand new contemporary residence stands as a beacon of opulence, setting a new benchmark for elegance and grandeur. Beyond the high-walled garden adorned with ornamental ponds lies an entrance that promises to captivate the senses. Step inside to discover sublime interior dimensions, adorned with a harmonious blend of French oak and Travertine stone throughout. Oak parquetry floors lead the way to evocative sitting rooms, where bespoke joinery and gas log fireplaces create an atmosphere of warmth and sophistication. The palatial open-plan living and dining area, complete with a built-in bar and sleek Travertine kitchen, redefine the art of entertaining. Step outside to an oasis of tranquility, where a sensational outdoor dining room overlooks a private north-facing garden, heated pool, and mod grass tennis court. Retreat to the upper level, where family accommodation awaits. Luxurious main bedrooms with gas log fires, balconies, and opulent en-suites offer a sanctuary of indulgence. Descend into the basement entertainment zone, where luxury knows no bounds. A fully fitted home theatre, a yoga studio/gym, a sauna and steam room, as well as a 7-car garage cater to every whim and desire. Don't miss your chance to experience the pinnacle of modern living in the heart of Toorak.